Managing partner commissions manually is complex, multiple rules, varying payout structures, delayed visibility, and constant reconciliation. ZINFI's commissions management automates commission rules, calculates payouts accurately, and delivers real-time visibility for both admins and partners. Admins begin by defining commission rules aligned to business objectives by partner account, year, and application type. Admins configure tiered commission entitlements, setting incentive structures, sales ranges, and payout percentages. Once deals are approved, ZINFI automatically calculates commissions based on defined rules, eliminating errors and delays. Partners gain full visibility into their earned commissions, including deal-based earnings and payout details. Built-in commission reports help admins and partners track payouts, analyze performance, and ensure financial accuracy. With ZINFI Commissions Management, incentive programs become simple, transparent, and scalable, motivating partners while protecting revenue accuracy.